Girl Scouts, I'm Crystal, Girl Experience Manager for Girl Scouts of Wisconsin Southeast. Today we're going to take a look at the Home Scientist Badge, Step 1, Be a Kitchen Chemist. Today's activity will take about 20 minutes plus a few minutes to eat your science experiment. Today's materials include a sandwich-sized Ziploc bag, a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. I recommend using freezer bags. They're a little bit sturdier and can hold up to the mixing and mashing that we're going to need to do. You'll also need some sugar, some vanilla, some whipping cream or half and half. You could even use whole milk if you don't have the cream or half and half. You'll need some ice cubes. You will need rock salt. And then a 1/4 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon. Having a pair of scissors later will be handy, as well as either a bowl of water or just being close to sink. All right, let's get started. So what is a chemist? A chemist is a scientist that studies the area of science known as chemistry. Chemists study chemical substances and how they interact with one another. A chemical substance that you might be familiar with and can even find in your home is table salt. All right, so if we were to combine our sugar, vanilla, and cream, put it in a bag, and then let it sit on ice for a while and mix it and mash it, what do you think it'll create? If you guessed ice cream, you are correct. So to get started, I want you to take your smaller Ziploc bag and I want you to combine 1 tablespoon of the sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of the vanilla, and then 1/2 cup of milk, and put it in a bag, like so. You will seal that bag up nice and tight, double check the seal, make sure it is indeed closed, and put it off to the side for a second. Then in our gallon-sized Ziploc bag, you are going to combine your salt and ice. So 6 tablespoons of the rock salt and 2 to 3 cups of the ice. All right, now we're going to add our smaller bag of ice cream ingredients. Put it into the big gallon Ziploc bag. Let some of the air out and zip it up. Now we're ready to do a little bit of mixing and mashing. All right, that's going to take about 10 minutes or so. So while you continue to mash your ingredients, let's talk about the science. The salt added to the ice lowers the melting point of the ice, just like it does when we add salt to the roads in winter. In order for the ice to melt, it has to absorb heat from its surroundings. The ice melts when it pulls that heat away from the ice cream, and then as the ice cream loses its heat, it begins to freeze up. Once you're done mixing and mashing and your ice cream is the consistency that you want it to be, it's time to open up the bag. This is where having the bowl of water comes in handy. The outside of this bag is full of salt water at this point, and so we want to rinse all of that salt off of the bag so that it doesn't drip into our bowl. So go ahead, pull fresh bowl over. I like to just snip the corner of the bag off, and then you can squeeze your ice cream right into the bowl like soft serve. All right. And then, who doesn't love some sprinkles on their ice cream? When you're all set, give it a try. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed making ice cream with me today. If you like this activity, you can try out other activities to earn the Home Scientist badge. For more Girl Scout fun, check out Girl Scouts at Home activities posted on gswise.org. If you're not a Girl Scout and want to join in the fun, go to gswise.org to learn more.